In a world obsessed with gadgets that break if you drop them or die before the sun goes down, there has always been one name that stood apart. A name that didn't care about being a pretty accessory for your wrist, but cared about being a survival tool for your life. That name is Fenix. But as we stand here in 2026, Garmin has done something that has sent a shiver through the boardrooms of Apple and Samsung. They haven't just updated a watch. They have redefined what a human being is capable of tracking. The Garmin Fenix 9 Pro has arrived, and it is quite literally a laboratory on your wrist. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you are an athlete, an adventurer, or someone who simply refuses to settle for average health, you need to listen very closely. Because the Fenix 9 Pro isn't just a watch, it's the most advanced piece of wearable technology ever released to the public. Let's talk about the breakthrough everyone is whispering about, Solar Sapphire 2.0. For years, we've had solar charging, but it was always a boost, not a solution. The Fenix 9 Pro changes the math. With a new high-density photovoltaic layer integrated into the display, Garmin is claiming infinite battery in expedition mode. Imagine a world where you never, ever plug your watch into a wall. For the American hiker on the Pacific Crest Trail or the marathoner training in the Texas sun, this is the holy grail. It's freedom from the charging cable. It's the confidence that when you are 10 miles deep into the wilderness, your maps, your GPS, and your lifeline will not fade to black. But it's not just about staying alive, it's about performing at a level you didn't think was possible. The Fenix 9 Pro introduces the Gen 6 Elevate heart rate sensor. This isn't just an optical sensor, it's a medical-grade biometric suite. It now tracks something called cellular stress load. By using multi-wavelength light sensors, it doesn't just see your pulse, it sees how your body is recovering at a microscopic level. It tells you when you're about to get sick before you even feel a scratch in your throat. It tells you that your Zone 2 run yesterday actually took more out of you than you realized. It's like having a world-class sports doctor following you 24 hours a day, whispering the truth about your health into your ear. And for the first time ever, Garmin has solved the display dilemma. For years, you had to choose the beautiful, bright AMOLED screen of the Epix or the battery-saving, outdoor-readable MIP screen of the Fenix. With the Fenix 9 Pro, that choice is gone. They have debuted the adaptive MicroLED. It is as bright and vibrant as an iPhone screen in the dark, but the moment you step into the blinding midday sun of the Mojave Desert, it transforms, using the ambient light to power its own visibility. It is the perfect screen. No compromises. No trade-offs. Now, let's talk about the tactical edge. The Fenix 9 Pro features a new dual-band quad-constellation GPS system that can pinpoint your location within centimeters, even in the urban canyons of Manhattan or under the heavy canopy of the Pacific Northwest. But the real game-changer is the offline AI mapping. Most watches just show you a picture of a map. The Fenix 9 Pro understands the terrain. You can ask the watch, find me a route back to camp that avoids steep inclines and stays near water, and it will calculate it locally, without a cell signal, in seconds. This isn't just convenience, it's a safety net that could save your life. But why are people in the US specifically losing their minds over this? It's because of the Garmin